This video will focus on Exabeam Incident Responder, a security orchestration, automation, and response solution, which is designed for rapid incident investigation and automated response. Exabeam Incident Responder is part of the modular Exabeam Security Management platform that spans data collection, threat detection, investigation, and incident response. Analysts usually start with an incident like the one shown here. In this example, incident details show that it's a malware incident, among other things like evidence collected, risk reasons, status, artifacts, and more. Now let's look at how an analyst would respond to the incident using Incident Responder. Analysts can click on the workbench to begin their response efforts. Incident Responder allows analysts to respond to incidents programmatically by running individual actions. For example, an analyst might want to block an IP address or disable the account for an affected user. Exabeam includes hundreds of pre-built actions that analysts can take to investigate, contain, or mitigate an incident as part of their response efforts. Analysts can also run groups of actions at once via a playbook. These playbooks can be run in a semi- or fully automated fashion as part of response efforts, thus reducing mean time to respond and greatly improving analyst productivity. For example, since this is a malware incident, the analyst might want to run a malware investigation. To do so, they can simply select and run the out-of-the-box malware investigation playbook. Then Exabeam will automate incident response via API calls to third-party IT and security tools. In this case, it's performing an in-depth investigation into the malware on Frederick's machine. The Actions pane shows the actions being taken by the system. As actions are completed, the results are made available on cards to the right. This playbook analyzed the malware attack via reputation services, file scans, and extractions of links. It shows what network connections were made, the domain reputation, and risk scores of the IP addresses of those connections. It also made a summary report and updated the case management data with new evidence. Exabeam makes it easy for analysts of all skill levels to create playbooks and automate tasks without the need to understand any scripting languages like Python. Exabeam provides out-of-the-box playbooks to handle many common incidents SOCs face on a daily basis. Analysts can also create their own playbooks via a visual playbook editor. Playbooks can be used to program logic and feed the output from one action to another action. This makes it easy to automate any task, regardless of its complexity. Playbooks leverage hundreds of pre-built integrations with popular applications like Symantec, Okta, CrowdStrike, Cisco, VirusTotal, Duo, and more, which are used to run actions. Analysts are able to trigger to kick off playbooks when specific conditions are met. For example, when an incident is created, or when a status or priority is changed. To summarize, Exabeam Incident Responder increases SOC team productivity by automating manual tasks via playbooks as part of an investigation. Easy to customize playbooks using logic and flowcharts to connect systems and create actions. Lowers mean time to respond by allowing analysts to run hundreds of actions via pre-built service integrations. For more information or a demo, please visit exabeam.com.